Affiliate income is good, product income is better. When you own the product, you keep 100% of the revenue, control the customer relationship, and build a real business asset instead of renting traffic to someone else's brand. Most successful AI influencers reach a turning point around month 6 to 12 where their first digital product launches. From that point, product revenue typically becomes the largest income stream within another 6 months. Digital product types, ranked by difficulty: easiest, hardest, prompt packs, template libraries. $747. Take a weekend to build ebooks, PDF guides. $17.47. 1 to 2 weeks to produce mini courses, 3 to 5 short lessons. $47.97. 2 to 4 weeks. Full courses, 15 plus lessons. $197. $497. 1 to 2 months. Memberships, $27.97 a mo. Requires ongoing content group coaching. $497 or $2,000 cohort. Requires you, or contractors, showing up live. Software, SaaS, DAR-MO, recurring. Requires development resources. Key point: start at the top of the list. A $27 prompt pack that sells for 24 months earns more than a $497 course you never finish building. Speed to market matters more than ambition in your first product. The ladder strategy: build products at 3 price points. Tripwire, $7.27. First sale, low-risk impulse purchase. Sold on the bridge page core offer, $4,797. Your main income product, sold via email sequence, premium, $297,997. For buyers who want everything, sold to existing customers. About 30–50% of Tripwire buyers will eventually buy the core offer. About 10 to 20% of core offer buyers will buy the premium. The math compounds fast. Pricing strategy: 3 rules. Charge for the outcome, not the format. A 20-page PDF that solves a $5,000 problem can sell for $97. A 200-page PDF that's just information can't sell for $20. Test prices, don't agonize. Launch at one price. Watch conversion for 14 days. Adjust. Always have an anchor. Show the higher-priced offer first so the lower-priced offer feels reasonable. Course/product creation with AI. This is where AI accelerates everything. Outline. ChatGPT or Claude generates a complete course outline in 10 minutes. Lessons. Each lesson can be drafted, then edited for voice and accuracy. Video lessons. HeyGen turns the script into avatar-presented content PDF guides. Same workflow. Script, format, publish sales page copy. AI drafts a high-converting sales page. You edit for voice and offer pro tip. The Microsoft LMS plugin is purpose-built for this. Host courses on your own WordPress site. Charge subscriptions or one-time fees. Deliver lessons with HeyGen videos and quizzes. You keep 100% of revenue, no platform fees, and you own the customer list. Membership sites. Memberships solve the income volatility of one-time purchases. Once a member joins at $37 a month, that revenue recurs monthly until they cancel. Membership content patterns that work. Weekly content drops, new template, new prompt pack, new lesson, member-only Q&A or live calls twice a month. Member community, Discord, Circle, or built-in forum. Searchable archive of past content, the long-term retention driver. Average AI influencer membership churn is 6 to 10% per month. Aim for a value stack that retains members for 4+ months. At that point, membership revenue per member exceeds most one-time digital product purchases. Coaching and done-for-you services. The avatar is the marketing front end. You, or contractors, are the back-end delivery. This is the highest-priced tier of the ladder and the most personal, meaning it doesn't scale infinitely, but it's hugely profitable while it does. For AI influencers specifically, coaching works best when the avatar's expertise lines up with services you can actually deliver. Don't promise coaching and surgery if you've never been near an operating room. Exercise. Build your first product. Pick one of these starter products and commit to launching it within 30 days. A 50-prompt library in your niche, sold as a $17 PDF. A top 10 tools checklist with affiliate-sponsored picks, sold for $7. A 5-lesson mini course delivered via HeyGen videos, sold for $47. A weekly newsletter membership at $9 a month. Don't pick all four. Pick one, ship it in 30 days, gather feedback, then build the next one. Speed beats perfection in product launches.